Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add gift card in Nykaa. So first of all, open up any browser and go to nykaa.com. From here, just put in a random product. So I'm going to click on bath and body. So basically you need to add a product and then check out. And you also need to just sign in. I'm not going to sign in for this demonstration. I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to click on this product here, click on add, and now basically just click on this proceed and make sure to sign in and then head to checkout section. And once you are on the checkout section, you are able to add in your gift card as payment. And if your gift card doesn't cover the cost of the product, pay the rest via your Visa or debit card or PayPal, and that's pretty much it. So that's how to add gift card in Nykaa. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.